Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural
Alexa,
damage.
turn on my room.
Locations impacted include New Buffalo, St. Joseph, and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The South Bend Climate Summary is at 4 p.m., March 31st, 2023. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore the midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 7 inches above the normal are located along the line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of Joliet to 20 nautical miles southwest of Gary to 44 nautical miles south of Valparaiso, moving northeast at 60 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, St. Joseph, and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now here is 55, and the relative humidity 72%. The wind was south at 10 miles. Severe thunderstorms are expected late this afternoon and evening. The primary hazard will be damaging wind gusts along a strong line of storms. Tornadoes are possible as well. Be sure to have multiple ways to receive weather. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ingalls Park to near Cedar Lake to near Shelby, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Shearville, Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Hebron, Dyer, St. John, and Lake Dalecarlia around 4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Highland, Griffith, Frankfort Square, Lakes of the Four Seasons, and Counts around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tinley Park, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Oak Forest, Alfred, Palos Hills, Country Club Hills, Midlothian, Hickory Hills, and Palos Heights around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Porter, Indiana. This is NOAA Weather Radio KJ Marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 knots. Northwestern Indiana, southwestern Berrien County, southwestern Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Erie to near Lakes of the Four Seasons and near Wheatfield, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Michigan City, LaPorte, Westville, Trail Creek, Bridgman, New Buffalo, Three Oaks, Long Beach, Stephenville, Wanata, Potawatomi Park, Shorewood Tower Hill, Harbor, Baroda, Galleon, Michiana Shores, Grand Beach, Michiana, Union, and Glenwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 30 and 61. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: LaPorte, Indiana, and Darien, Michigan. Moving northeast at 60 knots to 40 knots and large hail. Wind gusts to 40 knots. St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Stark County, northwestern Indiana, southeastern LaPorte County, northwestern Indiana, southwestern Cass County, southwestern Michigan, southeastern Blaring County, southwestern Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kingsford Heights or near LaPorte, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $1 hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include South Bend, Michiana, LaPorte, Niles, Buchanan, Blair Park, Granger, Walker, North Liberty, New Carlisle, Kingsford Heights, Edwardsburg, Hamlet, Roseland, Coos Lake, Bertrand, Dayton, and Kingsbury, and Indian Village. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 62 and 86. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana, LaPorte, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties: in Michigan, Darien, and Cass. The national wind was at 50 knots. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. 40 knots and large hail. St. Joseph County, Indiana, northern County, Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakeville, or 9 miles southwest of Blair Park, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations and tactics include South Bend, Elkhart, Michiana, Goshen, Napanee, Bremen, Dunlap, Blair Park, Liberty, Osceola, Wakarusa, Millersburg, Lakeville, New Paris, Benton, Locke, Tea-Garden, and Woodland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana, Elkhart, Marshall, and St. Joseph. The tall grass could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Knox, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Bremen, Knox, Hamlet, Coos Lake, Oak Grove, Lafayette, Tea Garden, Brems, Tyner, Toto, Donaldson, Lakeville, Lake of the Woods, Grover, Bass Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Marshall, and Stark. A severe impact, large hail and damage outdoors will be injured close to the watch area. Expect damage to roofs. Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 miles offshore of Lake. Michigan City, Indiana to Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles northwest of New Buffalo, or 10 nautical miles north of Michigan City, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include St. Joseph. A severe thunderstorm, Michigan Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Hamlet. Wind gusts. Thunderstorm warning for Western Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakeville, or 7 miles west of Bremen, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong-ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Dillap, Osceola, Wakarusa, Lakeville, Jimtown, Southwest, Forest, Waterford Mills, Wyoming, Woodland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Elkhart, and St. Joseph. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued the severe thunderstorm warning for